Today's recipe is Maggi pakora. Perfect winter special tea time snack is Maggi pakora. So without further ado, let's get started the recipe. At first, we add 1 cup water in the pan. Then add Maggi masala. When water is boiled, then add Maggi noodles. Maggi ready. Maggi transferred to a bowl. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, chopped carrot, 2 green chillies, and chopped coriander. And salt to taste. Then add 2 tablespoons gram flour, 1 tablespoon saemolina. Combine well. Combine with soft hand and add some sprinkle of water so that the mixture does not leave after put in the oil. Make small balls with hand. Like this. Then put mustard oil into the pan. You can use refined oil also. When oil is fully hot, then add pakoras. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat. Fry until golden brown. Maggi pakora is done. Serve with 1 cup of tea or coffee. This recipe is very simple and very delicious and perfect for evening snack. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. I will come up with new recipe again. Till then, take care. Bye.